2013-0258, Parish President's Remarks Report. Mr. St. Pierre.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. We recently received a $1,000 grant for incentive prizes for the upcoming fall trash bash. The community we were asked to compete in litter cleanup and our beautification projects during the month of October, and turn in before and after pictures to the public information office. Those photographs will then be entered into a contest to decide which group or individuals will win one of 2 Apple iPads. More information will be coming as we get closer to October. Last week, the Public Works Department received a delivery of 4 portable message board signs with deep cycle batteries. 2 of these message boards has cameras, which the EOC staff requested, as well as traffic data collection. In the past, Public Works had to rent these message boards when needed. The equipment cost $100,394, and $90,250 was funded by a grant through the DOTD and the LTAP Local Road Safety Program. Just want to thank Bob Dubland for his efforts in putting this package specification together and advertising for bid. These signs will be well used throughout the year. As Judge Lemon said, we did have drug court this year. There was 11 people who graduated. It's quite a moving experience to hear these kids after, I think it's like 19 months of going through a special program, and to get up there and give their testimonies is quite beautiful. But she did read a quote from the late Ohio Chief Justice Thomas J. Mora. I'd like to quote it. It says, "To see the beauty in the law, all one needs to do is witness a drug court graduation ceremony. It's all American story wrapped up in opportunity and redemption that would rival any Jimmy Stewart movie. The law is beautiful when it reveals the human side, when lawyers and judges and law enforcement officials demonstrate compassion and a concern for the greater good of society. The law works because it allows us to correct our mistakes." Unquote. After 22 years of trying to get a permit and to build a levee, we are finally going out for bids on our Willow Ridge section of levees. This is a long time been coming. I'd like to thank Sam Sholey and his team that he put together. Has been working so hard since we got in there the last 5 years. I don't think we could have done this without Sam's support and all the help that he's got from our engineers and lawyers. This Thursday, the Parish President Core Group, who've been working on the Biggest Waters Act, will be meeting with David Miller in New Orleans for a roundtable discussion. Hopefully he can let us know when we're going to get these rates, because every time we ask us when we're going to get the actual rates, they keep pushing us back. Originally it was supposed to be June, then it was July. Now we're hearing maybe the end of August, so we really don't know when these rates are going to come out, and hopefully he can give us some idea when we're going to get these rates. Again, in 2012, the Finance Department received the Distinguished Budget Award. I'd like to read what they said. The Government Finance Office Association of the United States and Canada is pleased to announce that St. Charles Parish Council, Louisiana, have received the Distinguished Budget Presentation Award for its budget. The award represents a significant achievement by this entity. It reflects the commitment of the governing body and the staff to meet the highest principle of government budgeting. In order to receive the budget award, the entity has to satisfy national recognized guidelines for effective budget presentation. These guidelines are designed to help to assess how well the entity budget serves as a political document, a financial plan, an operation guide, a communication device. Budget documents must be rated proficient in all 4 categories and 14 mandatory criteria within their categories to receive the award. When a Distinguished Budget Presentation Award is granted to an entity, a certificate of recognition for budget presentation is also presented to the individual or department designated as being primarily responsible for having achieved the award. This year's presentation to Grant M. Dewson, Chief Financial Officer. Grant.
Thank you, Parish President St. Pierre and members of the council. This is a big deal for us. This is the third consecutive one that the Parish Finance Department has received. And every year we go to every conference from the GFOA, and we always get asked by all the other parishes, how do you get these awards? Especially the budget award, because I don't know the exact number, but I know it's less than 10 a year get it out of 64 parishes in Louisiana. And it's just a testament to the department and the dedication, and a lot of hours go into assembling the budget to achieve an award like this. And it just, it's just a testament to our department. I really want to thank them, and I want to thank all of y'all for your support.
That concludes my report, Mr. Chairman.